Custom Interior sent me some seat covers to install, and oh my goodness, you guys. This, from what I could tell so far, is amazing. The leather has a really nice quality. I like the stitching they have going on, and the hex pattern is just really nice. And in the center, they have these holes so your back can breathe, you know, on those hot summer days. And the piping on the outside is just a nice touch. The seats in this car have definitely seen better days. After all, this car does have 130,000 miles, so normal wear and tear is to be expected. So up here we have some peeling leather, and on the seat itself there's just, you know, stretched and wrinkly. And these seat covers are perfect, you know, if you have a slight tear or something like that, because it'll hide it right out. So let's transform this old seat. Installing these seat covers have never been easier. It's basically like connect the dots. So you want to connect this to there, and this to that end, and then you clip these two together, and your seat is installed. So let's do the bottom first and then the top. I just finished installing the driver's seat, and the difference from this seat between the seat that I'm sitting in is insane. First of all, this thing is so much more comfy, and just it feels so much nicer on your butt and on your body. And the second thing is this thing just looks awesome. So you can notice there's a little bit of wrinkles and there's a little bit of warping, I guess you could say, but I heard that if you let this sit in the sun and over time that, you know, it'll just mold to the seat. So now it's time to install the passenger side. Just finished installing the passenger seat side, and oh my goodness, the difference inside the interior of this car is night and day. It literally feels like a brand new car sitting in here. And it even smells new too, so that's a nice touch. But if you think about it, seats are one of the biggest things in your interior, and just having these nice upgraded leather seats changes the whole entire vibe of the inside of this car. Once again, the quality, the stitching, the piping around the seats, and even the smell is just a nice addition to the car. So if you're thinking about getting new seats or your seats are worn out, you should definitely check out Custom Interior. And that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm gonna continue and try pumping out more videos, but I'll see you guys in the next one.